So today we talked about inside turn with sweetheart and also with the stop. So the first 1.5, we did a basic. After this, we did a cross body lead. 1, 3, 5. Cross hands. 1. Right turn for the follow. 7. Another cross body lead into an inside turn. With the sweetheart, step, step, step. Yes, to get around. Follows. Don't go faster here. Then outside turn. So notice the momentum that she's got to go the other way. 6, 7. Yes, and then you're gonna go under without ducking. 1. Without compromising your height. 6, 7. Do it again. 2, 3, 5. I think we did it this way. 1. Crossing hands, right over left. Right turn for the follow. Cross body lead, inside turn. The left hand is gonna go up leads. The right hand is gonna stay on the follow's shoulder. Yes? So you do 1. Right hand goes up. 5. Left hand goes up. Right hand goes to the follow's shoulder. Unwinding with the outside turn. 6, 7, 1.5 turns. Into another cross body. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. And on 2, we added the karate chop using our cross body lead. Going forward. 1, 2, 3. My hand's gonna go to the follow's back, upper back, not lower back leads, upper back. Inside turn with a stop. 7. Okay? This, as I stop the follow and I do my 1, 2, 3, I'm gonna go a little bit to my right lane and unwind the follow. Then I can turn the follow on 5, 6, 7. So I'll do this again. From here. Cross body lead, karate chop. 1, 2, 3, yes so. Then we do 5, 6, yes so. 1, 2, 3. Tornation, 6, 7. Then basic 1, 2, 3, 5. The whole thing. 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1. And let you follow. Yes.